just holding. Now you see also their keyboard is the touchpad. When I use the touchpad is not okay. This time you need to the external mouse, or you can use these tab buttons. See, now next and mouse is not working, so this time pressing space, then again enters, then customizes. So there have no hard disks showing, so what I'm doing, so again tab, load device. See, load a load device. Sorry, load device, press enters. You see the load device, press enter. Now click browse. Now go to my pen drive. I have to endorse. This is my pen drive, so I am going Intel. This one is for Intel. Then enter and try to first one. First one. Then press next. After few minutes, hold. Now showing my all partition. You see, previous time the partition is not shown. So now I am deleting my small partition, all this one. Okay. Just hold, I delete, then I again continue. Now my all partition is deleting done. Then I select my unlocated file and click next. Next is, then after a few minutes need to hold for copying Windows. So also I'm telling there have a lot of issues in here. I think this PC for Windows 11, so I am doing Windows 10. So this time the mouse pad is not working. Also the hard drive is not showing. So a lot of things we have changed. Then the Windows is going to start. So after a few minutes, because this is the hard SSD, so going to move faster. After a few minutes it is going to finish. Copying is finished. See, now my pen drive is no need, so you can remove or you can hold, no issues. Now Windows is ready. So now I need to lot of work. Next time I give him the others video for how to the next job. Also their keyboard touchpad is not working, so we are using this button, this tab button. Also click the tab, then come to the yes. Now escapes. No need our location. Don't have internet. Don't have given the don't have internet. Also again tab, because I am going to continue with limited setup because my internet is not connected. Just hold a moment, give any name, you, then next, then next, then accept. There are a lot of options you need to just see in this, because mouse is not working, so I will not see this one. My Windows is ready. Now remove my pen drive. So thank you. Now Windows is running, so my this problem is solved. So thank you.